It's really fantastic actually seeing the students really infused in these new technologies, and it's great for us as champs to be able to answer questions and to learn ourselves.
My favorite part being a Power Up champ is the social learning, is to be able to work together, study together as groups.
I really make friends here. So like first day in the conference, just get a few drinks and like nerd about the Power Platform, I guess. So it's really great.
Like they say, sharing is caring, but also, to be honest, you also learn a lot.
The Power Up program was life-changing. And this is one story. I have seen this across actually the globe.
It's been really interesting seeing this shift towards all of the AI-based features that we have, and we have these great Copilot Studio courses now.
What the thing that I get out about the most is just being able to rediscover myself and helping others also through the process, and hopefully making them more successful and transforming their lives at the same time.
It's fantastic being able to meet these people in real life and to be able to see their continuation in their journey in the Power Platform after the course.
Going over the curriculum with Darian one day, just giving him some of my suggestions, and he told me, "Hey William, I heard a lot of good feedback about you too. Learners are saying that they really like your program, that they're learning a lot from you," and that was honestly the most rewarding experience I've had since joining the program.